Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DaSkills. I am excited to share with you my knowledge and experience on how to make money online. On this channel, you will find a variety of content including tutorials, tips, and strategies on how to earn money online through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, online advertising, creating and selling online courses, dropshipping, online tutoring or coaching, stock and forex trading, and blogging. I believe that anyone can make money online, and my goal is to help you learn the skills and strategies that you need to be successful. I will be sharing my own personal experiences and successes, as well as providing you with actionable steps that you can take to start earning money online. I am passionate about helping others succeed, and I am excited to share my knowledge and experience with you on this channel. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest content. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I am looking forward to connecting with you. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In simple terms, it is a process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. There are different ways to promote the products, such as through a website, social media, email marketing, and more. The affiliate is given a unique link or code to track their promotions, and the business can track the success of the campaign through the use of these links and codes. There are many affiliate marketing platforms available. Some of the most popular include Amazon Associates, one of the most popular and well-known affiliate programs. Amazon offers a wide variety of products, and their affiliate program is easy to join and use. ClickBank, a digital marketplace that specializes in selling ebooks and software. ClickBank has a large selection of products and pays its affiliates regularly. Commission Junction, CJ, one of the oldest and most reputable affiliate networks. CJ has a wide variety of products and works with many well-known companies. ShareASale, a popular affiliate network that offers a wide variety of products and pays its affiliates on time. Rakuten Marketing, a global affiliate network that offers a wide variety of products and services. Rakuten Marketing has a reputation for providing excellent customer service and support. Ultimately, the best affiliate marketing platform for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. It's important to research and compare the different options to find the platform that best fits your needs and the type of products or services you want to promote. Affiliate marketer. Becoming an affiliate marketer is relatively straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Here is a general overview of the process. Research and choose a product or service to promote. The first step is to find a product or service that you are passionate about and believe in. You will want to choose something that is relevant to your audience and that you can easily promote. Sign up for an affiliate program. Once you have chosen a product or service to promote, you will need to sign up for an affiliate program. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, but you can also find products to promote through affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, CJ, and ShareASale. Get your affiliate link or code. Once you have signed up for an affiliate program, you will be given a unique link or code that you can use to promote the product or service. This link or code will allow the company to track any sales that are made as a result of your promotion. Start promoting. The next step is to start promoting the product or service. You can do this through a variety of channels such as your website, social media, email marketing, or by creating content such as blog posts or videos. Track your results. It's important to track the results of your promotions so you can see what is working and what isn't. Many affiliate programs and networks provide tools for tracking clicks, sales, and commissions. Optimize and scale. Once you have a good understanding of what is working and what isn't, you can optimize your promotions and start to scale your efforts. This could include testing different promotions or targeting different audiences. Note that it's important to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience, as it is required by many affiliate program policies and by laws like FTC in the United States. Dear viewers, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel, DaSkills. Your support means a lot to me and I am grateful for each and every one of you. I am dedicated to providing valuable content on digital marketing and e-commerce, and I am glad that you found my video informative and helpful. I would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like, And share my video with your friends and colleagues who may also be interested in learning about making money online. Your support in spreading the word about my channel will help it grow and reach more people. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to reach out to me via email saidraltafk23@gmail.com or on my cell, +32315252249. Thank you again for your support, and I look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Best. The skills.